Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for automotive parts business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily on a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or website type, automotive part. So for example, let's choose this. You can choose whatever you want. For me, I'm gonna choose this. If you wanna skip, you can skip from here. So now enter your store name. Type any name you want. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. And let's move on. What will you like to sell? Physical products and dropshipping products and services and digital products. What would you like to sell? Online store and in person and marketplaces and social media and my mobile app. Now let's continue and continue to dashboard. Design your site. So how would you like to design your website? You can let Wix create a site for you, or you can customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. Here you can enter your information. If you wanna change your business name, you can change your email, you can add your logo, you can add your address, and here you can add your phone, and also you can add the social link. So let's continue. Here pick a theme you like. For example, I'm gonna choose this. I like it. I'll pick your favorite homepage design. So for example this. Now add page to your site. And let's continue. Wait a few seconds preparing the homepage designs. So now your site is up and running. So if you want to edit more, click here, go to editor. This is your homepage website, and this is the list of your homepage. You can design it from here. Now click add elements. The first element you have here on the list element, you have the text. Here if you wanna edit the size or the shape of the text or the titles. Also the titles, you can edit the shape of the or the form. Also the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image. You can upload image, you can import image. Here if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. So that's it. Now let's move on to the button. Here you find the themed buttons and the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, the documents buttons, and the iTunes button. So you can choose whatever you want from here. Or if you want to add the payment buttons on your homepage, so you have to add any payment buttons on your homepage as you like. Now let's move on to the next. Here strip. Here you find classic, featured, about, services, contact, and welcome, and testimonials and theme. You can choose any one of these, and you can add this on your homepage as you like. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, lines, the same lines, the basic shapes, and rows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. Now let's move on to the next. Here you find vector art, featured, icons, animals and nature, logos and badges and characters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here find video elements. If you want to add something like video box or video mask or transparent video. So that's it. Now let's move on to the box elements. Here find the themed boxes or the container boxes or the hover boxes or the tabs. Also here we find the galleries if you're looking for some recommended galleries. If you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries. If you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Here if you want to edit the menus and the anchor section. If you want to add something like themed menus or horizontal menus or vertical menus. or in page navigation if you want to add something like anchor or in page menu, or if you want to add something from the search, the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here you find the contact and forms. Here you find all the forms you have to add on your home page, the contact forms or the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, and the waiver forms, and the subscribe forms. That's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here find Google Maps, the normal maps and the full width maps, and the last here the chats, the Wix chats button or the line share button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the video and the music. If you want to add something from the video section like single video players, if you want to add something from like Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video. Here if you want to add something from the music element like audio players or Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. If you want to add something from the interactive like slideshows, if you want to add something from the full width slideshows or the box slideshows, if you want to add something from the light boxes like welcome, subscribe, promotion, and contact. If you want to add something from the boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs, or if you want to add something from the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here, if you want to also here we find the repeaters, the hover repeaters, and the blank repeaters. You can choose whatever you want from here. You can add it on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the embed code. Here, if you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add something like single video players, if you want to add something from the audio section like SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button, if you want to add something like from the advanced section like marketing tools or the relative mode, and the last here the animation if you want to add something from the animation section. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social bar. You can select any social bar from here. You can add it on your home page as you like. Now if you want to add the Facebook link, you can add Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest link or VK link or line share link. Also here you can add your channel link on YouTube or something like this. Now let's move on to the next. Here find the payments. You can add some payments buttons. You can also add payments forms. You can add something from the pricing plans, and you can add something from the store section. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here you can use the CMS if you want to easily manage your site content. Now let's move on to the blog. Here you can show your expertise and engage with your audience. You can add something from the store. You can also add something from the bookings elements or the related elements or the pricing plans. You can create and manage events. You can manage your community section here, and you can the last is here you can design. You can manage your designs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. If you want to add sections, select any one of these. You can add it on your home page. That's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here pages and menus. You can add pages and menus. Just click here. You can add it on your home page as you like. Now let's move on to the next. Here you find the site design. You can design your website. You can customize your site design if you want to edit the color theme or the text theme, or if you want to edit the page background or the page transitions. That's it. Now let's move on here. If you want to add if you want to add apps, if you want to manage your business, here if you want to upload your media, if you want to edit images and videos, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, if you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site content, and the last is marketing and SEO. If you want to manage your Google ads, or if you want to manage the email marketing, if you want to manage the Facebook ads or the SEO or the social media marketing or the marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your websites, all you have to do now is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video.